The Second Bill of Rights may have died, but its influence didn't. The Second Bill of Rights, though never formally adopted, cast a long shadow over American social policy and global human rights frameworks. Its influence manifested in waves of reform that transformed both domestic and international approaches to economic justice and social welfare. In the United States, Roosevelt's vision helped shape the modern Social Security net. The expansion of Social Security beyond its original scope, coupled with the creation of Medicare and Medicaid during the 1960s, reflected his belief that economic security was fundamental to genuine freedom. These programs institutionalized the principle that society had a collective responsibility to protect its most vulnerable members. The Civil Rights Movement drew intellectual sustenance from Roosevelt's framework, recognizing that political rights alone were insufficient without economic opportunity. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. emphasized the interconnection between civil rights and economic justice, pushing for equal access to employment, housing, and education as essential components of true equality. President Johnson's Great Society programs represented perhaps the most direct attempt to realize Roosevelt's vision. Initiatives like Head Start, food stamps, and housing assistance programs embodied the belief that government could play a vital role in ensuring basic economic security and opportunity for all citizens. Internationally, Roosevelt's ideas helped shape the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. This landmark document expanded the traditional conception of human rights to include economic and social rights, establishing a global standard that influenced constitutional development in nations worldwide. The Second Bill of Rights continues to resonate in contemporary policy debates. Current discussions about universal health care, living wages, affordable housing, and workers' rights echo Roosevelt's fundamental argument that economic security is essential to meaningful democracy. Modern progressive movements frequently invoke his framework when advocating for policies to address inequality and ensure basic economic dignity for all citizens.